What is up, you guys? So this is a video that I've been wanting to make. I wanted to give you guys an update on my Gucci sandals, which I unboxed last year, about July or August. I uploaded the video, and I did mention that I was wearing these here at home every day, and I ended up purchasing these sometime in January of this year. And I wanted to give you guys a review of daily wear with these shoes. So let's get started. Starting off with these, which are the first ones that I purchased. I wore these every single day from July 2020 through January 2021, mid-January, end of January 2021. And the reason why I got the black ones is because I did start to see, just a little bit of discoloration on the footbed. And if you look there is some discoloration. These two colors are a little bit different. This is not something that's very obvious to other people, but it will be obvious to you because you will remember what they look like when you got them. But this is how they look from 6 months of daily wear. And now I am not exaggerating when I tell you that I wore these every single day when I'm here at home. If I was cleaning, cooking, sweeping, or running out to pick up my kids or run an errand, these were always on my feet every single day. I feel like they look insanely good for that kind of wear. This is what they look like from the underside. Amazing. No, they haven't even gotten flat. They still have the ridges. They are obviously a little dirty, but other than that, these were amazing, and I have been very impressed with these. You will see some scuffing. However, the scuffing that these have are in the same color as the shoe itself, so they aren't very obvious. If you do get like a black mark on your shoes, you can clean that with a little bit of acetone and it comes right off. So just use a Q-tip and then just clean it off. It comes right off. It did happen to mine. These went with everything in my wardrobe. If you see gray, these look amazing with denim. These look amazing with olive. They look really good with black, white. They went with absolutely everything in my wardrobe. And so it was really easy for me to just throw these on. I have taken so many pictures or outfit pictures, and I haven't uploaded them, you guys, because I'm always in these, my black ones or my white ones, and I'm thinking you guys are gonna get tired of seeing them. Like, do I not wear any other shoes? And the answer is no. I only wear these. Any shoe that I've ever had, these are the best ones ever. So I did want to give these a break because I wanted to be able to wear them out and for them not to look horrendous. So I ended up purchasing the black. So let's discuss those now. When I initially purchased the blue ones, I was told by someone else that they had purchased the black ones, and you could see all of the markings on these black ones. And I would say that is 100% true, you guys. This is awful. The black ones do show the most wear, and I actually just cleaned these too, but it's really hard to clean them and make them not look this awful. Like, I always kind of give them a rinse and then I just leave, but like up close and stuff, you could see all of the markings on them. Now, does that mean that I don't love these? I love these a ton. This is how they're doing. And I've worn these longer. So I got these in January of 2021. I actually ordered them in December, but they didn't ship for whatever reason until January. So 10 months I have been wearing these day in and day out. These are the ones that I wear now here at home. And obviously the wear and tear on these is a lot more visible than on my blue ones. All of them have gone with me to the beach, on walks. They've all gone with me shopping, and this is literally the shoe that I wear for everything. Now, I made a very, very terrible mistake with these that I wanted to discuss. If you see there, this is coming off. I do not blame the shoe. Let me be clear about that. I applied oil to my feet and I was not expecting to go out that day, and I did end up having to go out. And I was in such a hurry because I wasn't expecting to go out that I didn't even remember that I didn't want to take these for the walk. And I was like a block down already, and I felt very slippery and stuff. And so I believe that it was from the oil in my feet that made this unstick. Now, I am going to take these to the shoe repair to see if they could stick that back in. That's what it looks like. But again, I do not blame this shoe for that. That was my mistake. So this one is coming apart a little bit too, but this one's coming apart a lot more. I don't know if they're going to be able to fix this. Hopefully by the time that I post this video, I will be able to give you an update with regards to what the shoe repair person says, or I will update you guys on my Instagram stories at some point. That is the situation with these. But again, this is daily wear, you guys. This is not like, I know some people say, oh, I wear things a ton. This is a ton. This is what a ton actually looks like. I get up in the middle of the night to go use the restroom. These are on my feet. When I take my kids to school, these are on my feet. I need to kind of get off of these because today it's raining, so I can't keep wearing these. I wish they made like a closed toe version of these. I'm obsessed with these. I love them, you guys. I love that they give me just a little bit of heel. And they make me feel dressed up even when I'm at home in my like camisón or in my pajamas or whatever. I'll wear like a long sweater and these, and I feel nice being at home. They're also really easy because I already have them on my feet if I need to run out. It is something that I really, really have enjoyed a lot because you just slide them on and you're done. I feel like they're also really amazing mom shoes, especially for those of us who are trying to kind of find our footing. You know, when we have like a small child, we're trying to kind of start getting dressed up again. These are like a really great way for you to kind of like start elevating your style again and not be like in flats. And because they're like rubberized, like there's no feeling like you're gonna slide or fall off of these. These are very, very secure, and I feel very comfortable in these. I don't feel awkward. Like sometimes with my other two children, I used to wear like heels and I felt very off balance, and I feel like in retrospect I looked off balance too. And these are not that at all. These are such great transitional shoes, like for momming around. I really, really love these. But these do these do look the worst after that much wear. So obviously, I don't think that everyone's gonna wear them the way that I have. I think that I might be a woman on an island by herself, but I feel that it's a good way for you guys to gauge whether or not this is something that you would like, because they are like that good. I love these. And before I had these, probably my favorite shoe was the Hermes Oasis, because they're also really, really easy. I like that they clack when I walk, but these still outperform those, I have to say. These are so LA or like city chic. They're so good. They are so, so good if you live in a warmer climate and you don't have to have closed toe shoes. These are amazing. They have also gone up in price. When I initially bought mine, they were $320, and last I checked, these are $380. I'm assuming that they're extremely popular, which is why they're going up in price. I still think that they're a great value, and I'm sure that they will be at $400 in just a few months. So I did want to bring this to you guys in case, this is something that you wanted to get for Christmas or something. Amazing shoe. I know this one looks so beat up, so let's go into the white ones now. So this is a pair that I actually never unboxed, I'm pretty sure. I did do an outfit post wearing these. I love these so much, you guys. I feel like, God, are these the best ones? Let me say first that it doesn't make sense for me to review each of them individually. Normally I would say no, but these, for some reason, are the softest ones, where the rubber is the softest, and I never had a break-in period. The blue ones had a break-in period. The black ones had a break-in period. These did not, because the rubber was softer on these. I'm not sure if that's the case for all of them, but this was the case for these. I have avoided wearing these here at home. I only wear these when I go out. And does that mean that I have not worn these as much? Absolutely. These I would say that I've worn about 30 times. I'm pretty sure. These have gone to the beach. I have never showered in these. And I don't walk around at home with these. So these are just strictly for going out. And I feel like they look really, really good. And I feel like these are the ones that show the least wear because of the colorway, which surprised me because I'm very, no to white, because white and me are not friends. I would say these, maybe the material, I'm not sure, but I feel like these are the ones that show the least wear. There are some scuffs, but you cannot really see them. They're very hard to spot, because usually scuffs are like whitish. They come across kind of whitish or chalkish. They don't appear that much on these. So these have been really surprising for me. I just kind of picked them up on a whim. I kept thinking about them, and I kept trying to talk myself to not buy white. And in this case, I was 100% wrong. These are really good. I think that if you want any of them, and if you intend on wearing these the way that I've worn these, meaning don't wear them at home, don't clean, cook, and stuff, all of that stuff that most people wouldn't do, these are great for you to go out in. They look amazing on it. Funny enough, these are the ones that look the least dirty, and they pick up the least amount of dust and stuff. So they look really good. But obviously I have not, these are the ones that I've worn the least. So do I recommend these, you guys? I 100% recommend these. And like I said before, if Gucci makes these in brown, camel, taupe, like a mauve pink, I will be all over them. I don't care if these are trending, if they're not trending, if people want them, if people don't want them. These are so good. And anyone who I ever talk to, I'm just like, you need these, because they're really, really amazing shoes, you guys. I have been buying luxury shoes since I was in my 20s. I'm in my 40s now, and hands down, the best shoe that I have ever purchased. And it's also the least expensive shoe that I've ever purchased from a luxury brand. That is all I could say about these shoes. If you've been considering them, they are really, really good. Just do not put oil on your feet and throw them on, because don't do that. I already did that for you. It's not gonna work out well. Don't do it. These though, an ace. And I just wanted to touch on sizing. So usually in Gucci, I am certain that I am in, like, let's say they're loafers, I am a 38.5. 100%. I am always 38.5 from Gucci. I am a US 8, 7.5 in sneakers, but I usually buy 8 because I want a little bit of room. So US 8, Gucci, I do 38.5 when it comes to loafers. Now, when it comes to mules, which you just put your foot in, right, and there's no back, I always do 39 when it comes to Gucci. These don't come in half sizes, so I did go to a 39. and they fit perfectly. I love the way these look on my feet. They are very, very flattering on wide feet, and I would say if you have narrow feet, definitely try them on before purchasing. Not sure how that works for narrow sizes. I would say regular would probably be the same. You may have to size down if you're a narrow. But if your foot is long, I definitely think that you should check them out in store before purchasing. But they are true to size for me. I've never purchased wide sizes from Gucci. They just always work for me. That's actually like a plus with Gucci's shoes that I've always experienced. I know my Gucci size, and that always works for me. Hopefully that helps you guys figure out what size you may need. But I love these shoes, and I really do recommend them. I do hope that you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.